Juvenis.
Your Excellency, Governor Sim, most of your friends, admirers all over the Nigerian nation prefer to call you Governor Sim. So I'll call you Governor Sim. Other excellencies that are here, my lords spiritual and my lords temporal, let me humbly stand on all an already established protocol. Let me quickly put on record that the Ohaneze Ndibo worldwide, we consider Pa Clark as our friend, as our brother, as our father, and our compatriot. Is one of us in the struggle for the emancipation of the minorities of Nigeria. And we have fought with him in trenches, and we will continue to honor his legacy and his struggle, and we will never forget it. I haven't said so by tribute today would be short and it will be personal. These days, every time I speak, I no longer have a personal voice. Anything I say is assumed that is Ohaneze's, but today I'm going to speak as a person. I would take just a little clip from one of the things that he said. He made a comment that he already bought his ticket. He already had his boarding pass. In fact, that he was at the airport. He was just waiting for the plane to arrive. He said so many times in the past. Pa Clark was known to speak boldly to power, but on this occasion he spoke to our humanity. Many of us who are here today don't know that we're already holding our boarding passes. We are already at the airport. We are just waiting for our aircraft to arrive. My father, Elder AZUTA-MBATA, servant of God, as he then was in his time, used to say, and it's not an original quote, he used to say that death fears no person. Death is no respecter of persons. He said, anytime you go to the burial ground, take your tape and measure the tombs. You will find that they are of different sizes, indicating that both the old, the young can die at any time. And that is the lesson that Pa Clark's statement conveys to us today. More than ever before in this nation, the consciousness that the future is in the hands of God must dawn on our leaders and must dawn on each and every one of us. I want everybody to know that you have your boarding pass with you right there. Anything can happen at any time. Shakespeare said, who can look into the seed of time to know what it will bring forth. And the Bible said, pride not yourself in tomorrow, for you know not what tomorrow will bring. So with all the braggadocio, with all the power mongering of our leaders today in Nigeria, are they aware that they have their boarding passes and that none of them can decide what tomorrow will bring? It is my pleasure to convey Edwin Clark's message to all of us and through all of us to all our leaders in Nigeria and all our leaders in Rivers State. Be careful, for you know not what tomorrow will bring. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're done already. I'm sure you liked it. Please leave your comments, like and share this video. More importantly, please click on the thanks button so that you can support Juvenis TV to enable us create more content like you. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching.
It's just, it's unique, it's versatile, it envisions, it's newsy, it inspires, it suits, it's Juvenis. A dual glossy magazine with educative and entertaining columns that reports contemporary issues, events, tells about individuals who can inspire positively, showcases latest trends in fashion, circulates all around Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, London, and USA. Juvenis is published bi-monthly by Peanuts Communications Limited. For enquiries, event coverage or advert placement, call 0803 360 8271, 0805 787 1199. Juvenis Magazine, inspiring the young at heart.